Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two Bissell SpinWaves. So this is the Bissell SpinWave Smart Steam. It's going to put steam down. We don't use any solution, it just uses water. Here we have this Bissell SpinWave. It's going to put solution down. It doesn't do any steam on this blue one here. It just puts solution and water down when we press the trigger. Now the one on the right is the Bissell SpinWave Expert. Again, kick it over, we're going to turn it on. And then when I press the trigger, it puts solution down, and then I'm going to go over it. Let's do the Smart Steam. We're going to turn it on. I've got 2 levels of steam. Now it does take a little bit for the steam to build up. Okay, so the Smart Steam took about a minute to build up steam. Now the gauge says it's 200 degrees, 211. Now they both roll real easy. The Expert here, that's solution I'm spraying down. They both roll real easy. I can get right up next to the wall, right up next to the baseboard. They both go under the cabinets really well. Get on top of a rug. And you're just going to spray solution down. Very easy to use. Very lightweight. And here's the steam coming out. That's a lot of steam. I can turn the steam off. There's no steam. Now it's just got the spin mop moving. Just spinning, no steam. There's the first level of steam. There's the second level of steam. That's going to put down more steam. So on this one, I just simply had a power switch. You're going to turn it on, and when you want solution, you just press that solution button right there. Here's the different levels of steam, and there's that little display. You can see it's got a display. There's the first level of steam. There's the second level of steam. No steam, off. Now they both do stand upright. So again, I thought they both did a really good job cleaning. So this is model number 20393. This is model number 3897A. Now this one with the steam does consume 1,380 watts. You know, this one not so much, about 0.9 amps. Over here on the Smart Steam, now it had two steam modes. Hardwood floor and tile mode. That was the 2 different modes. Okay, so Bissell just released this one. This is $160, this Smart Steam. This one is about $99. Sometimes I do see it on sale for about $80. Again, this one does, the blue one here, the white and blue one does not do any steam. It's only solution. So if you want to, you know, it's about cleaning the floor. If you want to use solution on your floor, or if you don't want to use solution and you want to just use water and steam to do the cleaning. Again, they both glide real easy. Thought they did a good job. Again, nice long cord, but it is plugged in. They're not cordless, but that doesn't matter. I thought they did a good job. I'll put links to these in the show description notes. This one's brand new, February of 2024. I just purchased it. I did buy it with my own money. And would I spend $160? Meh, maybe. That's not too bad of a price point. $150 would be, I think, ideal for it. This one for $99 is super basic. You do get an extra set of cleaning pads on this one, so that's pretty nice. Again, I really do appreciate everybody's support. Go over and check me out on Instagram, Just a Dad Videos on Instagram. Hit a follow button there, and on my Facebook group page, I do free giveaways. So when I'm done with these products, I do end up giving them away for free. Really do appreciate everybody's support. I hope this video helps. If you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.